Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to get the benefit from the Excel VBA color. This is the Excel workbook we have. From the developer menu we can go to the Visual Basic. Here already we have the procedure. We are going to check out this. This is the VB color for the cell. Range D1 dot interior dot color. Interior means we are going to assign the color in the cell range. So that is equal to VB blue. So we can assign multiple VB colors, VB black, VB red, VB green, VB blue, VB yellow, magenta. Likewise, we can assign few colors. So now we will run this using the run button. You can see in the D1 cell, the VB blue color is assigned. Likewise, we can assign any colors as per our need. This is another one. We will assign RGB color in the cell. Earlier we assigned the VB colors. This is RGB, red, green, blue. The combination of red, green, blue. This one, range E1 dot interior color. Then we are going to assign RGB, the red, the 25, green 200 and blue 150. Now we will comment this one. Now we will check this. You can see in the range E1 that is light green color. Also you can check this out, comment out, uncomment this, and we will comment this one. You can see in this website RGB color codes are here in this website. You can see we can put the red, green, blue codes, then we can get the color, or else we can get this color code as well, or else we can find it from here. Whatever the color we need, we can copy this RGB codes, or else we can find the colors from here as well. Basic colors, these are the basic colors. Other colors also here. We can find the color code, RGB color code from here. Then as per our need of the color, we can get the RGB color code and we can paste it here. I will give this website link here. This is the website link you can find. Okay, now we will run this one. This one is comment out. This one we can run. This is in the range E6, RGB 2550255. Let's run this. In the E6, let's check this one. This is color index in the cell using color index. We used the VB color and RGB color earlier. This is using the color index. So in the range F1 dot interior dot color index, that is 26. We are going to use the color index. So let's check what is the color index 26. Run this. Okay, that is the okay. Now we will check this one. VB color for the font. In these codings we apply the color in the cell. Here we will apply the color for the font. So range D3 we will apply in the range D3 dot font dot color VB red. We will apply the VB color. So this is the range D3. So in the range D3 we have to write some text. So we will write right. Okay, now we will run this. The font color should be the VB red. Okay, you can see it is red color. Now we will see the RGB color for the particular font. This is range E3. So in the range E3 we will write some words. Okay, for the range E3 dot font dot color we will use the RGB, red, green, blue, 100, 400 and 100. Let's check this color. Okay, this is light green color, you can see. Now we will see the color index for the font. Here we use the VB color, RGB color and color index for the font. Let's check this this one. We will comment out this one. For the first one, range F3 dot font color index, this is 10. For the F3, here we will write some words. So F3 color index, it should be 10 color index. Color index 10, this is dark green, you can see. Also we will write the same in different cell. We'll comment this one. This is uncommented. We'll write 15 one. the color index 15. For that, this is row number 3, column number 7. Row number 3, column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here in the cell G3. So let's run this. The 15. So we have to write the word, right? Some words. So it is slightly light color. So we will select another color. Let's write 5. Okay, run this. Okay, dark blue, right? Now we will write this one. Here we insert different colors. We are declaring the variable dim I as integer. So using the for next statement, for I is equal to 1 to 56 until 56, we are going to write in the first column cells I comma 1 in the first column. So that value will be 1. So in the first column 1 to 56, the numbers will be written. So in the second column here, you can see cells I comma 2 in the particular row from 1 to 56 in the second column dot interior dot color index. Interior means the cell is going to be highlighted by that color using the color index. Here I is equal to 1 to 56. So 56 different color index is going to be highlighted in those 56 cells in the second column. We will see now. We will comment out this. We will check this. Okay, you can see there are 56 numbers written, also all 56 color index here. Now we will uncomment this one. What is this one? This is in the first column for that font dot color index I. So for all 56 color index is going to be applied for this font into this number. So this color will be as font color for this one. Likewise. Okay, let's run this again. Okay, now you can see font color. Here use the font color. Here we use the interior. Right? This is the sub procedure to find the color index. Now we are going to find the color index. Here are some colors. Now we will find what is this color index, what is this color index, likewise. So here is the procedure I wrote already. We declare some variables now 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we assign to this variable the range of 5 dot interior dot color index. This is assigned to num1. So O5 is here. You can see O5. Right, this one, this O6, 7, 8. This is the same color. We'll copy this one and we will paste it here. So these are same, right? O5, 6, 7, and 8. Here O5, 6, 7, 8. This interior color index we assign to these variables. So in the message box we will get what are those color index. So num1, this will be the color index, num2, num3, num4, like this. Let's run this. In the message box we can get num1, this is the color index for this green one. Num2, the blue one is 33. The orange one, that is 44. Last one, the red, is color index 3. So 4, 33, 44, 3. This is 4, 33, 44, 4. Right? We'll check this out again. 4, 33, 44, 3. Right? So what we are going to do in the next procedure. Okay, this is the next sub procedure. Fill color based on range. Here we declare the variables range as range, also the data range as range. We will set the data range, that is range from the table 1 from maths to computer, the subjects. You can see this is converted to table. You can see the design. This is table 1. Now the range which is selected, this is the range I selected, that is table 1, from the table 1 maths to computer. This is the range I selected. Then after that using the for statement for each range in data range. Data range is this one. Already we assigned here. The each range, the RNG is 1 by 1 from the data range. Okay. Then under that if statement, yeah, if RNG dot value greater than equal to 80 and RNG dot value less than equal to 100, if it is between 80 and 100, then you will assign RNG dot interior dot color index 4. That is this color. Then if this is between 80 to 60, then this color index. Between 60 to 40, this color index. Then between 40 to 0 to 40, color index 3. Likewise. Then okay, if this greater than 100, then there will be a message. There is a range mentioning that number. If it is 105, then there will be a message there is 105 and it is more than 100, please correct it. Likewise, if it is less than 0 also, there is -5, please correct it. Likewise, so we can identify the wrong numbers. After that, from the sheet 1, this one, we are selecting this 05 to 08. We are selecting this one and copying that and paste it again in the same place. Paste it in the 05. I will say why I am doing that. Now I will write some numbers here using random bean function. Okay, let's take 0 to 100. Close the bracket and control enter. Now we will copy this because this is random numbers. Paste it in the cell A5 as values. Now the next one is here. You can see here is a function to count the colors. Based on the colors, we are going to count that how many marks results are for this particular range. So this is the function color count. Under that function, two parameters, color cell as range, also color range as range. Okay, we are declaring a variables data range. This is different data range. This is different data range. This data range is what we are going to select. This data range is one cell from that selected this data range. Then we will assign to the color cell. This is color cell as long, color cell dot interior dot color index. Then using the for statement for each data range in the selected data range, if data range dot interior dot color index, if that is matching to the color cell, if that is matching to this one, then we will count one by one. So all colors, the same colors we are going to count. So that is the function to count the color. So what we are going to do here, this is the function color count. We'll see that. Okay, then here we can get that function equal color counts, right? We can get that function here. Then you can see here that first is the color cell as range data range. Color cell is this one here in the O5. Let's fix that with the function key F4. Let's fix the column, not fix the row, comma, then the data range. For the match subject here, this is for the match subject, we will select all students math subject. So from the table 1, all maths results selected. Right, we will enter. Now we can write this down. This one we can write this way. This one we can write this way. So you can see in the formula bar 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the maths one. For the physics 4, 5, 6, 7, the table 1 physics. This is table 1 chemistry. This is table 1 computer. So all function assigned here. Now I will say why I put this coding into this sub procedure. when I run this procedure, always these functions has to be repressed. So in this all functions, these all four cells or 5, 6, 7, 8, which these cells are contained in this range, in these functions. So when I copy and paste it again here, these all functions will be repressed. So now what I am going to do, from the developer tab, we will get a button from this insert package. So here we will apply that fill color based on range, right? Okay, with this one we can apply to all open workbooks, or if you want to apply this only for this workbook, you can select and okay, this is for the fill color based on range. Right, now we can rename, refresh. Now what we can do, here we assign the result, we can refresh this based on the colors. For the math subject, how many results between this range, it will be applied here, because based on this color index 433, 44, 4, you can see here, based on that one, the colors are arranged for that particular marks range. So we will repress this. You can see the color range based on the marks range, colors are assigned here. You can see for the math subjects, there are 3 results above 80, 1 result between 80 and 60, 78, that is 78. Between 40 and 60, there are less than 40, there is 0. Okay, likewise you can see for that another subjects as well. Now we will change one of the subject here. For the computer last subject, here we will put 82. After changing the result, it will not change. After changing the result, you can see in the computer there are 4 red, that was already there, 2 green and 1 yellow and no blue. Now I change this to 82. So after repressing this, the red has to be changed to 3. I repress it now. You can see this is 3. This also, the green also 3. In this way, we can use this Excel VBA color. Thank you.